The first step is to open the glove box. Then push both sides inward. There you can see the two plastic pieces that acts as a stopper or lock. Pull it and keep it aside. This is the housing for the cabin filter. It has a squeezable lock and a plastic tab that keeps the cover in place. That is the cabin filter. You can see the word airflow. It means that the unfiltered air comes from the top. The air goes through the filter and being pushed by the blower motor to the evaporator. This is the new cabin filter, and here is the code. Check to see if they are the same. You can clearly see how dirty the old one is. Install the new cabin filter. Put the cover back on and make sure it is secured. Gently reinstall the glove box and call it a day. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you very much and God bless.